Sawadee welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make Kai Jiao Cha Om or Thai omelette with acacia. It's gonna be a quick and delicious one. Take a look at the ingredients. Acacia or Cha Om, fish sauce, eggs, and cooking oil. First step, we are going to prepare acacia. It has spikes, so you have to be careful while handling it. And you just take out the soft part. When you find the hard branch, you just take out the leaf. Like that. For the omelette, we are going to need 3 eggs. And season it with fish sauce. And then I'll add this acacia into the bowl. And you just mix it. We are now ready to cook the omelette. First, we are going to need high heat. You have to make sure that the pan is quite hot before you put the egg into the pan. Flip it one more time. And now my omelette is ready. Here is my Kai Jiao Cha Om or Thai omelette with acacia. You can just eat this with hot steamed rice or you can cook this with the southern sour curry. As you can see, I have the curry paste right there. If you want to know how I'm going to make it, so stay tuned. I'm gonna make it in the next video. For today, have a spicy day, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye!